to show you differences between sin and fall. Okay?
The lesson in fall is in the point. In the compare.
Sin we talk about the point of time and for the period of time. Understand?
Yes. I know already.
Yes.
Here it is for the second point. Here to the forehead.
Let it be. In here, general.
Sit in forehead. Sit and fall.
នឹងជាថ្នាក់ដំបូងតែទៅដំបូងមកបានប៉ុណ្ណា
Chờ gì vậy? Hay là có soi as example in this textbook. So in this means that I have lived. I mean I cannot limit the time in the past. But right now I still live here and also in not sure that in the future I live. As the definition of present perfect, you understand that happened in the past continue present and it can be continue to the future. So in this depend on the real situation whether I live or I depart from this place. Okay.
Okay. In progress. This is in progress.
Not just
It happened in the past for 3 years, for 4th year. So it can be no blank subject. So it can be continued like that. It's not like this.
yes, not yet this.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. This one. Okay, I can rest one more example.
for year not for years
For years, we don't no expectation.
I have been in Korea
So this one also that it means that now 2 months ago that I study Korean, but now I still study and it means that the continue I still study it. Easy.
easy
For 2 years. Okay.
បងអូនឲ្យ example មួយបានអត់
Okay, please.
Give an example please Miss Samon ចា example
We recognize all sides. We don't discriminate. We don't trend other side.
we don't depend on individual now we are Okay, we can be share what we can learn. One example, please.
And after finish, we will do make rerun event. It means that we have to survive. Okay,
Play.
right now I would like to continue about
Give example. No, bằng âm. Example, please.
I have buy this motorbike for 2 years.
I have buy.
have bought
Bought verb 3.
I have bought
motorbike.
For 3 years.
I say it's not the progress situation.
So let sister someone explain.
For 2 years.
Can you explain why you choose that to be in perfect tense?
This point is not in progress. The verb bought.
You know, this one.
Not the rest, but the thing that we buy already still stay with us.
Okay.
We can say I have used.
No,
I have used this motorbike.
we didn't have to think about motorbike each time.
Oh, we know that you already buy.
This one cannot be in progress. Bought is just one hand. It's just a hand. Only one hand. It because the word
The
just.
jury of board.
Can be like that. Because we also for perfect we just refer to action, not repeated all time. Refer to action or thing that happened in the past and it still have until now also.
We did
Can
not
be.
yes.
Yes.
By one thing for 2 years. It's
Yes.
possible, right? So we can use the word just and I have used this motorbike for 2 years.
Not refer to the action, refer to the thing that we
The
have
thing
done
for
already.
motor.
This would be thinking about for 2 years, refer to the progress action.
Not progress action.
For 2 years, for you cannot have that.
Yes, but
Yes,
see,
that the time can happen